Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the loss of exponents in algebra. So it's very important to master the fundamentals and basics of algebra. Kay isang una, I have seen a lot of engineering students struggle with higher subjects, not because those subjects are hard, although they are hard, but the lack of algebra skills make it much harder. So that is why uh, when you have trouble sa isa ka higher subject sa engineering, you should ask yourself, so how is my algebra? So today, we will talk about the loss of exponents. So number one, we have a raised to p multiplied by a raised to q is equivalent to a times p plus q. So if may duwa ka number in which they have the same bases, so a and a ang bases nila, gin-multiply mo sila nga duwa, then their exponents are added. So amo na siya. So suppose we have a raised to p multiplied by b raised to q. So are, since ang base na nila is lainay, so ang isa nga base is a, ang isa nga base is b, then you cannot further simplify them. So ma-add mo lang ang exponents, ang duwa ka exponent if you are multiplying numbers ang base nila is the same. Next, a raised to p over a raised to q is equivalent siya sa a raised to p minus q. Okay. So in multiplication, same base, ang exponent is nag-add. Sa division, same base, ang exponent nila nag-minus. So ang numerator nga exponent minus denominator na exponent. So always remember, numerator exponent minus denominator na exponent. So that is given nga ang base nila is same, pares di is a and a. So if b ni, then we cannot apply this rule, kay lain lang nga base. So apply lang siya sa the same base, which is a and a. Number 3 is a raised to p multiplied by or raised to the power of q. So an exponent raised to a power is equivalent siya sa a raised to p times q. Diri kagina, nag-add sila kung nag-multiply ka duwa ka same base na number. Diri is ang number nga naka-raise sa exponent, gin-raise mo pagit siya sa another nga exponent, then the two exponents i-multiply mo sila ng duwa. Okay, we have another so a times b sa sulod sang parenthesis, i-raise ko siya sa p, so that would be a raised to p times b raised to p. So ang imong so duwa ka number naka-multiply sa sulod sang parenthesis, then i-raise mo sila sa isa ka exponent, that is equivalent to ang exponent na distribute sa isa ka isa sa ila. So in the upcoming lessons, we will also learn how to use the PEMDAS rule. So the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, order, i-learn ta na sa in the future. And also, last, is a raised to negative q is equivalent siya sa 1 over a raised to q. So if ang mga exponent is negative, it's just the reciprocal of the number na ang exponent is positive. So let us try to solve some examples. So let's say we have to simplify x cubed multiplied by x squared over x raised to 5. Okay? That would be x. So, duwa ka numerator, nag-multiply. So, that would be for sa aton nga rule number 1, numerator, and sa numerator naka-multiply, so we have to add the exponents. So, 3 plus 2. According sa rule number 2, if naka-divide ka, then ang exponents ang denominator is i-minus mo. So, minus 5. So, equivalent siya sa x raised to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So, anything na raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, the answer sa sining problem, sining simplification is 1. Okay? So, apply lang ang rules 1 and 2. Next is 6a to the 6th power b cubed over 2a squared b raised to negative 1. So that would be 6 divided by 2 is equivalent to 3, or sila pa na lang 6 over 2, okay, multiplied by a. So by rule number 1, by rule number 2, kung nag-divide ka, same base, then you have to minus, subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2 multiplied by b, 3 minus negative 1. So minus negative 1. Okay. Simplifying, 6 over 2 is 3. A raised to 6 minus 2 is 4. B raised to 3. So negative na ginasubtract is positive. So 3 plus 1. So equivalent to 3a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. Times. B raised to 4. So ano siya. Or we can try another method. So another method would be by rule number 5. Pwede na siya ma-rewrite as 6a squared b cubed. So 2a squared. So since r is negative exponent, then pwede na siya ma-reciprocal. So b, or 1 over b raised to negative 1 is b raised to 1, or just b. Okay, so based sa aton nga number 5 rule, times b. Okay. Simplifying, we have 6. 6, this is 6. Okay. 6 times a raised to 6 minus 2 times b raised to 3 plus 1. So equals, or 6 over 2. So this is 3. 3 times a raised to 6 minus 2 is 4. B raised to 3 plus 1 is 4. So same answer. A third example is 2x squared y cubed raised to 2. Okay. So according to the rule 3 and 4. So number 4 rule states that if may ara kasang exponent sa sagwa sang parenthesis, you distribute that to every one sa parenthesis sa sulod. So that is if you are multiplying. So when it comes to adding and subtracting sa sulod, that will be a topic in the future. For now, we are just multiplying sa sulod sang parenthesis, or we are dividing. So according dito sa rule, multiply sa sulod, then you raise them tanan to a power, then the exponents are multiplied with the power. So 2 squared times x squared, so multiplied by this exponent, times y cubed multiplied by this exponent. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. X raised to 2 times 2 is 4. Y raised to 3 times 2 is 6. So this is the answer. So another example is x cubed y raised to negative 2 over x raised to negative 1 over y raised to 4 raised to 3. So what we can do is apply this rule para ma-simplify. So apply ito yung rule, and pwede natin nga simplify dani ang sulod before natin i-distribute ang 3 nga exponent. So that would be x cubed. So negative exponent pwede siya mapababaw, kaya ra siya sa lalong masaylo siya sa babaw, reciprocal times x. Ari y to the 4, ari halin sa babaw, halin siya sa numerator, negative ang exponent, so pwede siya mapadalaw. So y squared raised to 3. Okay. So simplified na ang sulod before sa sagwa. So x, rule number 1, add the exponents, kaya nag-multiply ta. So 3 plus 1 over y, add also the exponents, kaya nag-multiply ta. 4 plus 2 raised to 3. So equivalent siya sa x raised to 3 plus 1, so 4, y raised to 4 plus 2 is 6, so raised to 3. Okay, so the final answer would be x raised to 4 over y raised to 6. So since may 3 kasi sa sagwa, i-distribute na siya sa sulod, so raised to 3. So this is by rule number 4. 6 times 3. So, erase na lang. So, question A is x raised to 4 times 3 is 12. Y raised to 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. So, that would be for ano guys, for the loss of exponents. So, I hope nakalearn ko something, especially the basics, because it is very important sa atong studies sa ulihi in advanced na mathematics and engineering subjects. So, master the fundamentals first, the algebra, and you will succeed sa inyong studies sa engineering. So, practice, 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 and you will get better soon. So, thank you.